Hi, how you doing? Welcome back. On the menu today, there you go, steaming hot, beautiful potato and eggplant curry in a kind of dry, fried way. Some absolutely beautiful spices in there. It is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so what we have here, roughly equal parts to potato to eggplant, and they're cut around the same size. My potatoes are parboiled, meaning that I've peeled them, washed them, boiled them in some salted water, so they're fairly soft. If you want, you can use raw potatoes, go straight in raw. It just takes a little bit longer. Little bit of tomato, that's just like one tomato, one onion sliced. Here I've got 3 spices. I've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. 2 teaspoons black mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. I've got some fresh curry leaves here. If you can get fresh curry leaves, they're absolutely wonderful. If not, you might better get dry. Garlic, ginger. I'm using fresh, not paste. You could use the garlic ginger paste if you wanted. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. Cilantro or coriander. We're going to start this off with some oil. Add a bit of salt. That's it. Delicious. Yes. Okay, let's get started. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're heating that up. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds and the black mustard seeds. Just let them do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. They'll infuse the oil, give it a fantastic flavor. We're now going to add the curry leaves, which can be very noisy sometimes. Just check. Not too bad. Then we're going to go in with our onion. We're on a high heat, by the way, as you may hear. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Absolutely wonderful. Next up, we're going to go in with our ginger. Like I said, I'm using fresh ginger and fresh chopped garlic today, but you could be using the garlic ginger paste. Then we're going to go in with our chopped eggplant. Now, if you were using raw potatoes, you'd go in with the potatoes first, but my potatoes are parboiled. We're going to stir fry this around, keep it moving all the time for about 4 to 5 minutes now. Okay, it's absolutely amazing. Beautiful, dry fry on this high heat. Let's get our potatoes in. Let's get our fresh chili in. And let's go for about another 3 minutes on this nice high heat. This is going to be absolutely fabulous. Wonderful stuff. Like I say, these potatoes are parboiled, so they're beautiful already. Next up, we're going to go in with our chili powder, our cumin, and our turmeric. Now what I've done is I've done double the amount of chili. You can adjust that if you want. We're now going to add in that little bit of tomato. We're going to add a very small amount of water. And then off we go. 2 minutes, keep it moving. We are very, very nearly done. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to lower the heat down now. Go for a little bit more water, just a touch. So we're below medium now. Not too much moisture in there. As you can see, it's a nice kind of dry fry, this really. Give it 2 minutes on that kind of gentle heat. I'll be back. Off goes the heat. Before I forget, because I nearly did, I'm going to get some salt in there. We're going to add some chopped cilantro or coriander. And we're done. That is fabulous. Now, you can eat this with rice, no problem. I actually prefer to eat this with some sort of bread, like a paratha or a naan, or some roti or something like that. That is delicious. Let me get that on a plate. Super easy, super wonderful. And there you go, job done. Vegetarian, healthy, vegan, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. Leave a message. Say hi. We like to hear from you. Want to know how you're doing. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her TURMERIC or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.